Down and up in the tunnel at Steintor on Goethe and Munz Strasse in Hannover, Germany on the 16th of August, 2023 at 7:44 am.
Runter und rauf im Tunnel am Steintor in der Goethe- und Münzstraße in Hannover, Deutschland, am 16. August 2023 um 7:44 Uhr.
This place is very cheap. You see the prices? The skiers and others. And you have ATM here. Just like the Japanese, but not outside. I will try to enter here and go through to the center of Hannover. These are outside. And here you see the metro. And you have an elevator. And this is where you get to the metro. metro leaving, a metro coming, and this station is very busy. Traffic. And many people are in a hurry to catch metro. This is where you come from, huh? I'm getting confused. Everybody is in a hurry. Time is money. Time is money. I came again to the same place because I couldn't find where to go through the tunnel.
Did you enjoy the tour? If so, read and do.
Hat Ihnen die Tour gefallen? Wenn ja, lesen Sie es und tun Sie es.
Subscribe to the channel.
Abonnieren Sie den Kanal.
Germanize your journey.
Germanisieren Sie Ihre Reise.
Hanover cheers me up.
Hannover heitert mich auf.
Has Hanover captured your heart? Tell me how in the comments. Thanks.
Hat Hannover Ihr Herz erobert? Sagt mir wie, in den Kommentaren. Danke. A friend in need is, well, you know the rest. Ein Freund in Not ist, na ja, den Rest kennst du.
Answer questions or comments. Like, share, subscribe and visit website links.
Beantworten Sie Fragen oder kommentieren Sie, liken Sie, teilen Sie, abonnieren Sie und besuchen Sie Website-Links.
Read the 21 ways to travel cheaply at
100-the-beautiful-sites-in-the-Germany-on-a-budget.html. Have fun. Lesen Sie die 21 Möglichkeiten, günstig zu reisen unter 100-beautiful-sites-in-the-world.com/travel-on-a-budget.html. Viel Spaß!
Watch the video at https://yahoo.bcetsjocjupy.
Sehen Sie sich das Video unter https://youtube.de/cjocjupy.
Break the barriers of passivism. Simply interact with the channel.
Durchbrechen Sie die Barrieren des Passivismus. Interagieren Sie einfach mit dem Kanal. Start your day with this channel. Beginnen Sie Ihren Tag mit diesem Kanal.
Join the feminist rise community.
Treten Sie der feministischen Ascension Community bei.
When we build a community, we become stronger.
Wenn wir eine Gemeinschaft aufbauen, werden wir stärker. Könnten Sie bitte etwaige Übersetzungsfehler korrigieren?
Could you please correct any translation errors?
Did you enjoy the music? To say so, please do subscribe, like, comment and share the link. Thanks.